Hi, this is Michael Marsh, author of New Body, New Life. And so you can see I just don't talk the talk. Here I am at age 50. Now, if you've been struggling with your weight for years like I did, and you're just not sure what foods or exercises or diets or products actually work for fat burning, fast weight loss, and getting fit, I have some very helpful info for you. And at the end of this short video, I also have a free gift that will help you. The good news is this works for anyone. As you can see, it worked for me even though I'm middle-aged, non-athletic. I also don't belong to a gym, and I don't follow any specific diet or exercise routines. So when it comes to getting a new body, which for most of us means losing weight as belly and body fat while toning or gaining muscle, here's what matters most: what you don't do. And to explain what I mean by that, I want you to look at the ancient Greeks. Some of the best bodies in the history of the world. But guess what? It wasn't so much what they did that made them look this good. It was what they didn't do that mattered most. And what they didn't do was buy diet products or health foods. You see, the truth is, it's just impossible for diet products to work for one simple reason. No product made can successfully override your food choices. To make matters even worse, most health foods actually have the opposite effect, because unless you're very physically active, the main ingredients in these foods go right to fat storage. The simple truth here is that processed food manufacturers just can't put their name on and then brand the right common foods that will get your body to do most of the weight loss work for you. Now, if you're at all skeptical about what I just shared with you, ask yourself one question. If any diet, point counting system, frozen meal plan, pill, shake, sprinkle, health food, whatever actually worked, 2 out of 3 Americans wouldn't be overweight or obese. Now, would they? So if you're tired of buying all the wrong stuff and getting nowhere, there is a way off the hamster wheel that will help you get a better looking body than most teenagers as well. And the very first step is to stop doing what's been proven not to work and just do what's proven to never fail instead. And it's not complicated. However, it does take making a few small but critical shifts in how you approach this. Just know what worked for the ancient Greeks, what worked for a middle-aged gym class reject like me, with all the issues I have, will work for you as well. Man, woman, young, old, it doesn't matter. For example, she's 45. Now, I know you're busy, and I'm trying to keep this video short, so if you'd like to know the no pill, no diet, no scam steps behind being able to choose what to weigh down to the pound, the take a step back approach that lets you eat more than you do now, the obscure research study I found that reveals how to improve your fitness level in as little as 5 minutes a day, along with much, much more, it's all in the free gift I want to give you, which is a complimentary copy of my upcoming Kindle book, A New You, Going Beyond Weight Loss, How to Look and Feel Half Your Age and Change Your Life and Future. It's just packed full of every tip and trick and secret I've used to help transform the bodies and lives of people all around the world. Now, if you're wondering why it's free, it's because I'd like to get some feedback on it before I publish it, mostly because I just don't want to get a bunch of those, nasty 1-star ratings. Now, it's only going to be free for a limited time, and if you'd like a copy, all you have to do is just look right under this video, and you'll see a box that looks like this. Just click on the blue link inside that box. You'll be taken to a page that has a picture of my new book. Just enter your email address on that page, and I'll send you your free copy right now. I promise when you just do what's already been proven to work, you can't fail. So download your free copy right now and get started on your new body and life today. Michael Marsh.